Okay, y'all. I'm at the mall. I'm ready to go inside of Bath and Body Works real quick. Pick up an order. I ordered more candles. Also, they giving samples away to members only for the laundry detergent. So I'm gonna go in here and grab that. Which scent? Leave in the comments. Which scent did you get? I forgot which scent they had. Matter of fact, can I? Let me see. I forgot which scent they had. I think I'm gonna get that Santal one. I know they got mahogany, teak wood. I know they got sun drenched linen, 1,000 wishes, and I think that's it. So yes, let me know which one did you grab. Which scent did you grab? I do have 2 accounts. I don't know, y'all. Leave in the comments if you used all of your accounts to get all of them. Leave that down in the comments. I have 2 accounts and the coupon is on both accounts. I just don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. If I do that, the 2 that I will be getting, well, the other one I get is the sun drenched linen. Also, leave down in the comments, because y'all know when they first started talking about this, they said that, you know, pick your scents and they might use it. So is these one of the ones that y'all picked? I think the only one that I did pick is the sun drenched linen. That was the only one that I picked because I feel like it's a fresh scent. I think a lot of people will want that. As far as 1,000 wishes, I don't know about that. I could see the mahogany teak wood being good for men. So yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm carrying mine. This is the bag I'm carrying today, y'all. I'm carrying this, my Marc Jacob, the tote bag. Love this bag. I kind of feel like I want to get this in a micro, the mini one. This same color in mini, because I like it, but like right now, I kind of want to wear a mini bag. And yeah, so yes, so let's head on into the store and grab our stuff real quick. Be an in and out. Like I said, I just placed the order like right before I left the house, so I know it's probably not going to be ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab the stuff and get it ready for them, and they could just double check it, because I'm not gonna wait, and I know I'm not gonna come back because I don't have a Bath and Body Works store near my house. So when I come to Bath and Body Works, it's at least a 20-25 minute drive. So yeah, so I don't plan on coming back up this way. I know they got the body care stuff, like the scrubs, the body wash, all that stuff is on sale as well, but I don't need any of that. Also, they got a couple of the minis on sale. I think it's $2, $3, and $4, which is crazy. I'm kind of surprised that they put in the lip care for $4. That's kind of high, but considering it's $12, it's probably a good price. So I'm not getting none of that stuff. Pick up the order, grab a sample, be back out the door, and I'll come back with the haul. Okay, y'all, let's talk about it. These marble jars, I absolutely love this print, this packaging. It's everything for me. But for $19.95, Bath and Body Works, come on, stop it, stop it, stop it. Now, if they came out with some limited edition scents in this packaging, then maybe we will buy it. Take notes, Bath and Body Works, limited edition. But for just the regular candles that you could buy in a 3-wick, it's a pass for me. I'm just saying, love the packaging, but it's a pass. Has anybody tried this dry shampoo? Leave that down in the comment. Is it good? Is it worth the money? Or should we be waiting for it to go 75 SAS? What about the shampoo? Has anybody that has coarse hair, have you tried the shampoo? Leave that down in the comment, because I would love to try it, but I'm just not sure if it'll work on my hair. Bath and Body Works, please give us more room spray sales. I remember it was a time that room sprays used to go on sale so often. Now we probably have a room spray sale once every 3 months or 4 months. So Bath and Body Works, come on now, come on, give us more room spray sales, please, and thank you. Okay, yeah, I know my camera is set up a little awkward. I don't have a tripod for this camera, so just sitting there. So what did I get? The reason why I placed another order is because I wanted to get these candles, y'all. I wanted to get this Wild Sand and Endless Sea. I wanted to get these two candles, and this one is sold out in most of my stores. So I said, you know what? I better go ahead and grab these candles and stop playing. So yeah, I know with body care candles, they sell out fast. And it's one of those things where you need to get it because they're not gonna get any more. Bergamot lily driftwood, saltwater lily driftwood. This one is pear, cactus flower, and agave. So yeah, I grabbed these two, and these are the only two I have. I probably should have grabbed more. I probably should have got 2 of each just because they're starting to sell out, especially this one. I guess everybody liked this one more than this one. I don't know. Even in the body care, as far as like the minis, they only had like 1, I believe. So yeah, I grabbed that. And these other candles I grabbed was just gonna be filler candles because I really wanted that fresh coffee, fresh brewed coffee. This store did say they didn't have it, but you know how they go. You always got to go to the store just to see. So I did order extra candles like this one. I really don't need this candle, even though it's saying it's a new scent. I don't. Cyper. Sorry, I got this gum in my mouth. Cyper, sea salt, and cedar wood. Yeah. Most definitely smelled that mineral water or whatever it was, that mineral salt. Most definitely smelled that. Then y'all know I already have this one, which is applewood and charcoal. I already have that. And then I grabbed another one of the spice blackberry cider candles because I do like it. I have not burned it, just on cold. Like I said, I was just really trying to get like some extra stuff that I could really swap out. Sorry, y'all, my battery died. And I forgot to bring an extra battery. So that camera died. Anyway, moving to the phone. Y'all know that they had this, the laundry detergent. For some reason, I thought it was supposed to be powder. It's not powder, it's liquid. Nothing's wrong with liquid at all. I love liquid detergent. But I got the, what is this one called? Sunwash Sun Towel and the Sun Drenched Linen. These were the two that I got. They did let me use both of my accounts. I was happy about that, but I still got to go to another store because I want to exchange these candles out for that fresh brew. Only one store in my area have that candle, so I'm gonna go over there. And these were ringing up $1.50. I'm not sure if they're gonna sell these after the fact. I don't know. Well, if you're not a reward member, maybe after they get done doing this, they probably will sell these. Not for sure. They did have this one open. It smells pretty good. So yeah, well, I'm gonna say I'm gonna use it. I'm most definitely gonna use it just to see. I think Bath and Body Works should have did like scent bursts or fabric, those little fabric bead things. I think they'll have a better market with those versus detergent. Yeah, I think they should do those scent beads over detergent. Detergent is cool. Okay, y'all trying to get in y'all bag, and then it's concentrated too. If y'all didn't see that, so concentrated, and you can use it on high efficient wash machines. So if y'all need to see that, so yes, y'all, I'm excited for this, but It says the full collection will be available in August 2023. I don't know when exactly, it just says August. So I'm kind of excited for this, but they should have did scent beads. I would have been more happy with scent beads versus detergent. I'm loyal to Gang and Tide. I'm just saying, you know, so I don't really know if I will buy these. I don't know. I love the idea, but I feel like scent beads would have been a hit. It would have been a winner. So Bath and Body Works, if somebody from their team is listening, do the scent beads, scent boosters, or whatever they call it. Scent boosters would be a hit out the park, a knock out the park. What do they call it? Hit out the park? I think if y'all did scent beads, that's more y'all lane if you're gonna do something that has to do with detergent or whatever. But scent beads, Bath and Body Works, we want scent beads, not laundry detergent. Scent beads. Just saying. So let's head on over here to this other store. Well, I'm just gonna head over to the other store. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for watching any and everything I post. I truly appreciate y'all. I know your girl ain't been posting, but I really been trying to enjoy my summer, you know, just trying to take a slight little break. But I'm back. I'm gonna start back recording, doing more live streams, all that stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for supporting me. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.